has narrated that the blood and bleach Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has stated, the one who recites salat upon me 10 times in the morning and 10 times in the evening will be granted my intercession on the day of judgment. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. My topic, beauty of Al-Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Dear Islamic brothers, Allah Almighty granted such beauty to our beloved Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, which has no match. Would emanate from his noble face, and yet another says that nobody is as beautiful as him came into this world. Imam Ahl Sunnah, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan states, "Lam yaqti naziruka fi nazri." मिसले तू नस्र पैदा जाना, जगराज मुताज दोले सरसो, है तुझको शहेद सरा जाना, अनफी अतशु सफा का आतम, है गैस पे पाकी अबले करम, बरसन हारे रिमझिम दो बूंद इधर भी गिरा जाना। सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम।